In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check subscribers on YouTube Studio. If you're a creator, knowing how many people are subscribed to your channel is one of the simplest but most important pieces of information you can check. It helps you track your growth, understand whether your content is resonating with viewers, and can even motivate you to keep uploading. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find your subscriber count inside YouTube Studio, and I'll give you a couple of helpful tips along the way. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account that manages your YouTube channel. Then open YouTube Studio. You can usually get there by clicking your channel icon on YouTube and choosing the YouTube Studio option, or by going directly to the YouTube Studio website in your browser. Once it loads, you should land on the main dashboard page by default. On this dashboard, look for a section called Channel Analytics. This is a card that summarizes how your channel is performing. Right on this card, you'll see your current subscriber count. It will usually show the total number of subscribers, and often you'll also see how that number has changed over the last 28 days, such as how many you've gained or lost in that period. If you'd like a slightly more detailed view, you can click on Analytics in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This will open the full analytics section for your channel. Make sure you're on the Overview tab at the top. Here, you'll again see your subscriber number displayed, along with other key stats like views and watch time. This is the same subscriber count, just presented in a more complete analytics context. Keep in mind that this number reflects only subscribers whose accounts are not set to keep their subscriptions private. Some viewers choose to hide which channels they subscribe to, so they won't appear individually, but they are still included in your overall count. Once you know where to look, checking your subscribers becomes a quick habit. Open YouTube Studio, glance at the Channel Analytics card on the dashboard, or head into the Analytics section and check under the Overview tab. And that's it. You now know how to find your subscriber count in YouTube Studio whenever you need it.